Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Kaz at Flair Auto Group. Just wanted to do a quick startup of our 2016 Ford Expedition EL. This one is the extended version, as you guys can see, so you get full storage capacity, as well as maximizing the passenger capability of the car. This one can carry up to 8 passengers with it having a bench style seating in the middle row. We're gonna do a quick startup and just walk around for you guys. Now, this thing has 210,000 miles, but looking at the vehicle and the way it runs and drives, it does not show the mileage on it, so it's been really well taken care of. You get side step for easy entry. Get a power lift gate. You also have a towing capability with this vehicle. Third row is fully powered, so by a press of a button like this, you can fold them up or down. Let's go and put this top down and let that do the rest of its job. We'll show you guys the middle row and do a quick startup after this. Black leather interior. All right. 210,000 miles, and the only air light we have is low fuel light, which we'll definitely take care of that. You also do get a backup camera with this. Heated and ventilated seats. Also, the middle passengers do get to enjoy heated seats and their own climate control. Overall, that is pretty much the gist of it. But if you guys have any further questions about this or anything else in our inventory, do not hesitate to reach out, and I will be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in person. Bye-bye.